Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude, and welcome back to another Jurassic figure unboxing. Today we'll be taking a look at a older set. This guy's the Camp Adventure set. It comes with a really nice Stegosaurus in Camp Cretaceous colors, a cool gray. It's one of the better Stegosaurus of Mattel's roster, and a basic version of, I think, Limbo? Grim? No, Limbo. Yeah. And then we got Darius and Baby Bumpy in there as one of those minifigures. And the back of the box is really cool. It's got them fighting. They both have a basic action feature. And then Darius and Bumpy on the back. So we'll dig into this box immediately. This one's very neat. It's pretty expensive back in the day here in Canada, but these box sets did go on sale a lot in Target. And what's cool about the box, you can see on the side here, they got the baryonyx and the Stegosaurus renders from Jurassic World. I think that's pretty neat. And I have to unbox all of the figures in the background to fit in my travel case. So there they are. And there's this cool backdrop here. You got the camp in the background, and then some golden lighting going on with the entrance, and then there's a pond and stuff. All really neat.
Oh no!
Where'd his tail go? I guess it's a her. And the Stegosaurus.
For
Dinosaur. The neck is pretty stiff. One of the legs is loose. This one's a little stiffer. Man, I love how they painted the underbelly on this. It looks very nice. It's like this pinkish color. And the action feature is the typical slashing of the tail. And then make it the chomping.
I put it together. That's the chomping feature. It's kind of pathetic in my opinion.
Yeah, it's a little lackluster.
It's very stiff.
Yeah, Mattel really upped their game with the newer
legs, or
ones.
like the tail doesn't move, and obviously like it only does this.
It's like the budget version.
Yeah, and it only goes this far forward and then backwards. It can go all the way to there.
There we go.
It's
Get the plastic
really
out of the way. And then...
Oh, it doesn't even work half the time. That's really cool. Okay.
Yeah, it gets stuck like halfway. Darius has nice paint job on him. You can see he's got arm paint, the lines, his little necklace, and he's even got hip rotation, which is pretty neat, and knee rotation. The feet don't rotate though. I was expecting too much. I'm used to the Hammond collection. And then the little basic Bumpy, really nice paint job on the head. The tail's upside down in the package for some reason. I think they always do that.
So cute.
Yeah, you can make Bumpy get absolutely eaten. I think the camera only goes to like there. No, Bumpy! Ah!
Absolutely devoured.
Make Darius get hit by the tail.
Oh shit.
You know, in Camp Cretaceous, they said that the Stegosaurus plates shed for some reason, like they just come right off. It's a little weird.
Oh, I'm sorry, I love Bumpy. So cute.
I know, Bumpy's adorable. I'm glad that they used that little figure for Bumpy in this playset. I wish they did more playsets like this. Like I know Dominion has a lot of box sets with people and dinosaurs, but I like the inclusion of like the baby dinosaurs.
I don't like how this guy can't really stand, and you can't move his legs enough to make him stand properly.
Mm-hmm.
Like they don't really move correct. I don't know how to explain it.
Well,
but
my pet peeve, look, the tail has no paint. They just
or
left
bumps.
it.
The bumps just end.
Yeah.
You can't bend
like
him
the
enough.
alligator
like,
skin.
Nothing about this figure does what it's supposed to do. It can't stand.
Try widening the legs. Oh, that did not help.
And then if you do this, I know you can't see it on camera.
Tripod it.
It like isn't supposed to really move. Once you move it, you can feel it like clicking.
Mm-hmm.
It's not like supposed to stay like that. It's supposed to stay like this.
Here, what I usually do with these old baryonyx is I tripod them with the tail.
Oh, that's so annoying.
I know. At least the stego's good. Like, look, the paint's at the tip of the tail there, and they got all the plates painted on it too. But whatever, it was a cute set. Baryonyx pretty cheap, like you said, but the stego is definitely well worth the set. I wish they released it as a basic figure, like outside of the box set, so people could get a nice painted stego without the extra add-ons.
R.I.P. Darius.
For sure, for real.
For sure. Yeah, I am for sure.
100%. No, I'm a little tired.
But Bumpy's adorable.
There. I don't even think Darius was around for Bumpy being that small. I can't remember. Oh wait, no, yeah, they were, because they put Bumpy in the back of a van. It's been like too many seasons ago. Yeah, so it's a cute set. Or have we made it to the 8-minute marker so I can get my double revenue?
No, we have 2 minutes left.
You're kidding me.
No.
my camera charge is getting low, which kind of sucks.
Well, I don't know. That's kind of pathetic. We've only been here for like an hour.
Oh my god.
Yeah, anyways, with the set, like, the background looked really cool. None of the colors match, though, which is kind of annoying to me. I don't know
what do you mean?
Well, like, I don't know, they don't look like they should be there, because the background's, like, nice and gold.
Mm-hmm.
And also animated. And then they're like, here's the realistic dinosaur.
Oh, you're talking about the actual show or the toys?
The toys.
Oh. I don't know, some of the dinosaurs are kind of animated in the toy line. Like, look at that guy.
I'm talking about these two in that background.
Oh, yeah.
I've never seen the show, so I don't know shit about it, but...
the eyes on these characters are so big compared to, like,
they're also,
mainline ones.
Really messed up all the time. Something about him is just not right.
He's uncanny.
They're all uncanny, though.
Unfortunately.
His lips are glittery, which is kind of cool. I know you can't see it, but they made him wear a lot of lip gloss, which is kind of cute.
Ayo, Darius, why you got the lip gloss?
That's a little sus. Brennan gets cancelled for homophobia.
Excuse me.
Also, his neck, half of it's like cut off in the back.
Oh, yeah, what's... Oh, it's got like a lip. It's a lip.
Yeah, it's kind of weirdly lopsided. Oh well, vibes. Yeah.
I like how I'm getting you to talk for the rest of it.
That's what I'm here for. Anyways, I'm just playing this game called Cats and Stew. I'm assuming no one's watching till this part of the video.
Oh, you'll be surprised. There's quite a lot of,
Oh, goodbye.
No, you can't just let them go like that. Okay, well, anyone who's still watching, thanks for watching to the end. I appreciate it. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and check out my other videos, which are coming out after this one, or before, if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you guys in...
Watch all of them. He needs money.
Yeah, in the next video. Bye!